Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some nachos. No matter if you're getting ready for the big game day or just planning a party with friends and family, this is the perfect appetizer. It's very delicious and it's easy to make. Plus, making it from scratch, you can play around with the flavors other than buying the canned stuff, and it's just like a work of art. So no further ado, let's get on to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Now you want to start off with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now we're going to take a saucepan and we're going to set it to low heat. That is the key, low heat. We're going to just incorporate everything slowly. So go ahead and melt your butter. Then we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to do this gradually. You add a little bit, whisk. That is the key right there. Continue whisking. That's going to allow you to incorporate the flour into the butter evenly. So just little by little, just go ahead and add a little more flour until you get 2 tablespoons of the flour in there. Now, I'm not going to stress enough on this part. You need to keep whisking. You do not want that flour to clump up on you. You know, if you forget some spots or you don't, stir enough, it will clump up on you, but it's easily fixed. So just keep whisking. That is the key on this portion. Now we're going to gradually add 1 cup of whole milk. I do have a little extra milk reserved for later, which I'll get into. But just go ahead and add that milk in there, and you want that milk to heat up to temperature, and you want to mix in that butter flour mix, and you want to mix it into right when it gets thick. Now once the milk's already thickened up, we're going to go ahead and add some pickled jalapenos. This is going to add that jalapeno flavor and that great pickle flavor from the jalapenos. This is a good kicker, and trust me, the flavor on this just comes out well. Go ahead and heat that up, and then we're going to be adding in 8 ounces of cheese. This is cheddar cheese. You can use your favorite cheese that you like, but this right here is cheddar cheese, so I'm going for that jalapeno cheddar flavor, which is fantastic in a cheese sauce. So again, we are still at low heat. You just want to incorporate the cheese into the mixture, and you'll just slowly melt it. Now this is key. You always want to keep stirring because you don't want stuff to get stuck. It'll start burning on you and it'll start thickening up in spots that you don't want it to. So continue to, whisk, and we're going to just add a little bit of milk. This right here, you're going to be going by eye. You don't want it too runny, you don't want it too thick. You just want like a smooth, creamy sauce. And actually when this cools down, it thickens up. So you just want like a smooth, creamy sauce. So you just pay attention to that. Make sure you eye it and just, keep whisking. Once you incorporate that milk, you'll see that you have a beautiful sauce. Now this right here is pretty much the finished product. This is what you want to see out of your cheese sauce. Now adding that milk at the end is key because you don't want to add too much and you don't want to add too little. You just want the perfect consistency, which you can see right here. This is a wonderful consistency for some cheese sauce. And it goes great with nachos. Now just season it with salt and pepper to taste. Now for the easy part, and you really don't have to do this because your guests are going to build their nachos for you. You do not have to do this for them. Just lay out all the ingredients that you can offer them and let them build it on their own. Get you some really good chips that go with nachos, slap on some, a lot of that cheese on there, and just build it with the ingredients that you love on nachos. It's a really great party favorite, and trust me, your guests will love it. Get you some jalapenos, sliced olives, chopped onion and tomato. I even throw a pico in there. Guacamole is really good. Add some sour cream in there, some, ground beef. They will love it. I guarantee you it's perfect for game day. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that we can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. I have these 3 other videos. Do me a favor and take a look at them. They're really delicious recipes. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.